Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down a trade I'm currently in, walking you through exactly how I entered the trade using gap cable strategy, and sharing my next thought on the market based on price action. Happy New Year guys, I'm wishing you Happy New Year one-on-one right now. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. For old timers, keep liking this video so the algorithm can be able to push it to people that need it. Okay, also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's go to my chart.
So as you can see, this is my chart, right? And I'm currently in a trade that I'll be breaking down for you and show you how I was able to enter this trade using the gap cable strategy. Alright, so over here, as you can see, we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see how I have my analysis here. I have my indicators, everything here on my chart. So I'll go to like 15 minutes just to like show you how it is. So I got into this trade all the way from here and up to this level. Let's see how far we have come so far. So it's about 70 dollars on this trade. Okay, so this is it. I'm locked in. So before I analyze and show you how I was able to get into this trade with 0.1 lot size, as you can see, I entered this trade on the 3rd, and this is like I had it from like 4th, and this is today's 5th. It's like 2 days. I've been swinging this trade for 2 days. Excuse me, guys. So I've been swinging this trade for 2 days, right? Okay, so let's cancel this. I'll have to analyze and show you how I was able to catch this trade. The reason why I entered this trade. So guys, before I analyze, I usually analyze on my MetaTrader 5 and also on the Trading View platform, the DERIV Trading View platform. I will show you how I was able to catch this trade. Alright, so you all can see, if you have not seen my gap cable intro video, go back to my channel and watch it. I did episode 1 to episode 4 where I broke down how to place all of this on your chart. Alright, so on the 15 minutes I don't usually use indicators, okay, because 15 minutes and downward is for like my entry, if you know what I mean. So guys, so then let's go now to Trading View. Okay, you're welcome to my Trading View platform. Okay, so this is a trade. I'm going to show you a picture here of how it was when I did the analysis, and you can see on my screen now how far the trade have come. And just as I've showed you on my MetaTrader 5 platform, I'm still on this trade, and this area is kind of giving me something that I have to look out for. But first, let me analyze this area and show you how I was able to get into this trade. So let's go to let's delete everything from here. Let's delete all the drawings, and let's go to H4 time frame. And on the H4 time frame, we all can see that the market is currently on uptrend, right? It's on uptrend, no doubt. So I'm going to hide the indicators. So this is how I was able to get into this trade. How I did the analysis for the trade, the analysis that got me that setup. Alright, so over here I had my lowest after this break. This is the lowest. You know, we analyze the market from the right hand side. Alright, so as at the time I analyzed this market, this was the highest. Alright, the lowest, sorry, this was the lowest, and this over here was the highest, right? So then over here is the value point. So done. So we don't have anything much to do here again, so we'll have to go down to the H1 time frame. Okay, so on the H1 time frame, you see this is what I had here. So over here I had my impulse, and after every impulse, like I have taught in my previous video, there will be a correction, right? So after the impulse, what I had to look out for was the correction. But guys, I will tell you when I start to connect my lines for correction. So as you can see, this is the correction we had then. So if you've been trading forex, if you're familiar with pattern, you agree with me that this is a descending broadening pattern. All right, so we usually mark our first point, second point, first point, second point, and on the third point, that's where all the miracle happen. That's where we position ourselves for greatness, if you know what I mean. So over there, now I have to go down to 15 minutes time frame to get my entry. So on the 15 minutes time frame, this is what I did that prompted me to get into that trade. So this is it. This is what I did. Okay, first point, 2 points. I'm no longer looking at the pattern over here because already I know the pattern is going to take the market to the upside. Why? Because it's an uptrend and we are having this kind of pattern forming close to a key level area. This there's a key level around this area. So it's 450. Sorry, 8500. 8500 is a key level, and we are having a descending pattern there. So I just knew we were going to go up over there. So this is the reason why I did my analysis over there. So if you paid attention when I entered the trading view, you notice that there was a square point here where I marked. So I marked this area because I was expecting a double bottom from this area to continue to the upside. All right, excuse me, as we all know, the pattern usually have a 90% level. So this is the 90% level, and this over here is the overall. So I was thinking that the market is going to like break over here where I'm going to get in and continue to the upside, but the market did not do that. However, my second forecast was that the market will come down to this level and then, you know, start going to the upside. And this was exactly how the market moved. And as you can see, this is where the market is currently at. All right, so that is it about how I was able to get into that trade. This is it. This is where I placed the stop, the take profit, and I was risking 10. I always risk $10 on my trade. All right, that's like 1 to 2, 1 to 2 first, 1 to 2, 10 to get 20, and then 40 sometimes. It's usually 10, 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is the minimum, the least I can go for before 1 to 3, 1 to 5, and thereabout, depending on how the trade takes me. So guys, this is it. I hope you understand this video. This is basically how I was able to get into this market, and we are making all this juice right now. So let me take you back to H4. This is it. This is it.
All right, thank you guys. If you find value in my video and you want to learn how to trade the way I do, feel free to reach out to me through my email for references and necessary action. Thank you for coming around. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.